Welcome to the welcome to the vlog. It's 2 in the morning. The GoPro's about to die. We're gonna get 2 hours of sleep, or maybe a little bit more, and then we're gonna go meet Evan and Win and do some parkour, cliff diving and parkour, I think. So yeah, Max is letting me camp out in his room tonight, so very cool. Do you remember which ledge we went off? Is it that one?
The one I'm on right now.
Okay.
Hey, what do you...
If I'm not like 100%, I'm. Ooh.
Right here, Jake?
Just a little bit higher. Oh man.
It's way fucking scary up here.
It doesn't even look that high, like that much higher, but it's so much higher. Yeah, it's so much.
You don't touch the bottom of it? I do, but just put your foot like this and you'll push off.
So kind of tuck a little bit.
Yeah, it doesn't. It's like pushing off. Am I going?
Yeah, I think so, man. If
Am I good to go down? Yes? Is there anyone down there?
no, you're good.
Ready? Yeah.
Oh, that's sick. Crazy. Oh, aim for the center, I guess.
Yeah, come on. Give it a little more time.
I can go first.
Alright, man.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So just straight down from here? Do I go out any farther or a little bit?
I'll go up to the rock. That's all.
go. I think I just scared Nate. I didn't touch Nate down there on accident. I think he freaked out. Yo, is he okay? Yeah, he's still finding the hole there. He's bumping.
I can get a shot of you guys jumping from up here too. Yeah. I can get a shot of you guys from up here.
SIGFREED what?
Explore.
SIGFREED Explore. That was from on YouTube. We're gonna be on YouTube, man. Math teacher tries to
Nice. What you doing, Max?
You're filming me, Nate.
What you doing? Max is classy. So we're done with cliff diving for the day. And now we're in Madison and we're gonna do a little bit of parkour, hopefully. There you go. Nice. Nice. Here, let's grab his arm.
You got it.
Come on. It's not that. I think I'm saying that.
The rooftops we've just found here are amazing. The only problem is we've got it's right in the middle of everything. So there's a party game planned across another rooftop, and they're probably gonna call someone on us soon, but we're gonna try to get together a quick POV because there's just so much to do here. So much.
First take wasn't the greatest, so we're gonna Do some more prep on our walk back. Nate's nice and glistening. Woo! Go, 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 go.
You gotta do the outro, Evan. Oh, right. Thank you guys for watching. We're gonna do a few more competition type videos soon, and then yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the cliff diving and rooftops of Madison today. It is so loud here. Until next time, like, subscribe, and comment. We enjoy the comments, so please comment away. Let us know what you like, what you didn't like. If you're mad at Evan for losing his hair tie.
Yeah, it died so I could live. Yep.
Oh no, it's spun around. Woo! Still filming. What you doing there, bud? You having a good time?
Yeah.